Have you ever dreamed of becoming a billionaire? A question that often hovers in the realm of dreams, yet so elusive in reality. Yet for a moment, indulge in this fantasy, this dream of grandeur and opulence. Imagine you've just become a billionaire. The first thing you do? You buy that dream car. Not just any car, but the car of the billionaires. The symbol of ultimate luxury and power, a Lamborghini. As you slide into the plush leather seats, you can't help but touch the hand-stitched Italian craftsmanship. The roar of the engine reverberates through your very soul, a symphony of power and dominance. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a testament to your achievement. In the background, a classic tune from 1962 caresses your ears. I Can't Stop Loving You by Ray Charles. The soulful melody, the poignant lyrics, it's as if the song was made for this moment. As you drive down the open road, the world around you blurs, and all that matters is this moment, this feeling of accomplishment. But the dream doesn't stop there. As the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of orange and purple, you drive up to your mansion. A symbol of your success, this mansion is more than just a house. It's a fortress, a sanctuary, a place where dreams come to life. The grandeur of the mansion reflects your journey, your perseverance. Every stone, every brick, every piece of glass stands as a testament to your hard work, your dedication and your vision. The dream of becoming a billionaire, it's more than just the wealth. It's about the journey, the struggle, the perseverance. It's about that first billionaire car, that classic song from 1962, that mansion. It's about the achievements, the success, the power, this dream, this grandeur, this opulence. It's all part of the journey to becoming a billionaire. And as you sit in your mansion, the classic tune from 1962 playing softly in the background, your Lamborghini parked outside, you realize this isn't just a dream, it's a reality that you've created, a reality that you've earned. So dream on, dreamers, for dreams are the seeds of reality. And who knows, maybe one day you too will be driving that billionaire car, listening to that classic song, living in that mansion. And maybe, just maybe, you too will be a billionaire.